Buenos días, me llamo Himanshu y en esta lección voy a enseñaros cientos más comunes verbos en español. In this video, I'm going to teach you 100 most important verbs in Spanish which will help you in basic communication. So, let us start. Entonces, empezamos. 100 most important Spanish verbs to boost your conversation skills. Cientos más importantes verbos en español usar para habilidades de conversaciones. Registrar, to register. Abrir, to open. Aburrir, to bore. Acabar, to finish. Aceptar, to accept. Acordar, to do something. Acostar, to go to bed. Almorzar, to have lunch. Amar, to love. Andar, to walk. Apagar, put off or extinguish. Aprender, to learn. Asistir, to assist or attend. Ayudar, to help. Bailar, to dance. Bajar, to go down, as in get off from the bus. Beber, to drink. Buscar, to look for. Caber, to fit. Caer, to fall. Cambiar, to change. Cantar, to sing. Casar, to marry or get married. Cenar, to have dinner, to have an evening meal. Cerrar, to close. Cocinar, to cook. Coger, to pick up or catch or take. Comenzar, to start or to begin. Comer, to eat. Compartir, to share. Comprar, to buy. Comprender, to understand. Conducir, to drive. To drive. Conocer, to know. Conseguir, to obtain. Construir, to build. Contar, to count or to tell. Corregir, to correct. Correr, to run. Cortar, to cut. To cut. Costar, to cost. Crear, to create. Crecer, to grow. Creer, to think. Cruzar, to cross. Cubrir, to cover. Dar, to give. Deber, to must. Decidir, to decide. Decir, to say or to tell. Defender, to defend or stand up for. Dejar, to leave. Desayunar, to have breakfast. Descubrir, to discover. Desear, to wish. despedir, to say goodbye, despertar, to wake up, destruir, to destroy, wreck, or demolish, devolver, to return, dirigir, to manage, divertir, to entertain or have fun, doler, to hurt, dormir, to sleep, duchar, to take a shower, echar, to throw, elegir, to choose, empezar, to begin, encantar, to love something, encender, to light or turn on, encontrar, to find, entender, to understand, entrar, to go in, enviar, to send, escoger, to choose, escribir, to write, escuchar, to listen, esperar, to wait, estar, to be, estudiar, to study, exigir, to demand or require, explicar, to explain, ganar, to win, gastar, to spend, gustar, to like, haber, to have, habilitar, to fit out, oblique, authorize, habitar, to inhabit, habituar, to get used to, hablar, to speak, hacer, to make or to do, hackear, to hack, algar, to flatter, hartar, to get hold of, elar, to freeze, enchir, to fill, erir, to hurt, hervir, to boil, hinchar, to swell, hospedar, to provide accommodation, hostigar, to bother or pester, huir, to run away or to escape, incluir, to include, ir, to go, jugar, to play, lavar, to wash, leer, to read, levantar, to raise, limpiar, to clean, llamar, to call, llenar, to fill, llegar, to arrive, llevar, to carry or to wear, llorar, to cry, llover, to rain, mandar, to order, manejar, to handle, use, manage, mantener, to maintain, medir, to measure, mentir, to lie, mirar, to look at, morir, to die, mostrar, to show, mover, to move, nacer, to be born. It is nacer, nacer. Nadar, to swim, necesitar, to need, obtener, to obtain, to win, to get, ofrecer, to offer, oír, to hear, oler, to smell, olvidar, to forget, organizar, to organize, pagar, to pay, parar, to stop, parecer, to look like or seem, pasar, to pass, pedir, to ask or ask for, pensar, to think, perder, to lose, permitir, to allow, poder, be able to, poner, to put, practicar, to practice, preferir, to prefer, preguntar, to ask, preparar, to prepare, prestar, to lend, probar, to taste, try or try on, proteger, to protect, quedar, to stay, quejar, to complain, querer, to want, quitar, to take off, recibir, to receive, recoger, to pick up, recomendar, to recommend, recordar, to remember, regresar, to go back or come back, reír, to laugh, repetir, to repeat, resolver, to resolve, rogar, to beg, romper, to break, rezar, to pray, remar, to row, saber, to know, sacar, to take out, salir, to go out, secar, to dry, seguir, to follow, sentar, to sit or seat, sentir, to feel, ser, to be, servir, to serve, sofreír, fry, soler, to usually do something, sonar, to sound, sonreír, to smile, subir, to go up or come up, sugerir, to suggest, sumergir, to immerse or submerge or dip, tener, to have, terminar, to finish, tocar, to touch, tomar, to take, trabajar, to work, traducir, to translate, traer, to bring, tratar, to treat or try, usar, to use, valer, to be worth, velar, to guard, vender, to sell, venir, to come, wear, to see, vestir, to wear a dress, viajar, to travel, visitar, to visit, vivir, to live, volar, to fly, volver, to return, violar, to violate. That's all about today. Esto es todo por hoy. Espero que os gusten este video. I hope that you all have liked this video. If in case you want to learn Spanish for A1 and A2 level. Batches are formed. You can contact me on the number provided here on the screen. Thank you so much for your time. Te quiero mucho. Adios.